Let us start. Question number 2 and problem sum number 1. Okay? All these three are very important, so please be alert. Important also for examination point of view. First, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours, upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Is it okay? See, so we suppose what? Let speed of Ritu in still water that is equals to x kilometer per hour, and speed of current of the river suppose y kilometer per hour. Now see, Ritu can row downstream 20 km. So in downstream means towards the flow of water, means water moves in this direction, Ritu also moves in this direction. Speed of Ritu is x, speed of water is y. So in downstream, water exert the force of Ritu to the Ritu, and that's why what? The speed of the Ritu is increases. And that's why we say in downstream, speed of Ritu will be what? X plus y kilometer per hour. Naturally, you can write x is greater than y. And in upstream, speed of Ritu decreases, is x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay? Now very simple statement is given. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours only. In downstream, 1 hour means x plus y kilometer. If it rows, then it takes 1 hour. In 20 km, it takes 2 hours. How much? 20 upon x plus y, that is equals to 2 hours. So if you take 2 here and x plus y here, 20 divided by 2 equals to x plus y. So x plus y equals to 10. Equation number 1. Now in upstream, given is 4 km in 2 hours. So speed x minus y kilometer in upstream, she takes 1 hour, and to cover how much kilometer? 4 km, she takes 2 hours. 4 upon x minus y, that is equals to 2 hours. Take x minus y here, 4 upon 2 equals to x minus y. So x minus y equals to 2. Now from 1 and 2 elimination, you can easily do it. X plus y equals to 10, x minus y equals to 2, cancel, so 2x equals to 12, so x equals to 6. Place this value, x plus y equals to 10, x means what? 6 plus y equals to 10, plus 6 move other side, then y equal to 4. The answer is what? Speed of Ritu in still water is 6 km per hour, and speed of current of the river is 4 km per hour. Is it okay? Now second number is important than this one also. This is the question of work and time. You have learnt about it. You know that work and time are reciprocal to each other. That means if work increases and if you increase the number of person to do this work, then time decreases. If number of person decreases to do the same work, then time increases. So the question number 2 based on this. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman and 1 man. let one woman can complete the work in X days and one man can complete the work in Y days. Now here it is given that to finish the embroidery work, if 2 women and 5 men together work, then it complete in 4 days. So it's a reciprocal work and time both are. So 2 women and 5 men finish the work in 4 days. So equation will be what? 2 women upon X days plus together means plus 5 women, 5 men upon Y days. X and Y's are days and we place reciprocally because work and time are reciprocal. So we place this in reciprocally. Then 4 days are also reciprocal because X and Y are days. So 4 days are also in reciprocal. Equation number 1. Similarly, 3 women and 6 men. 3 women and 6 men finish the work in 3 days. Again 3 women, so 3 upon X, 6 men, 6 upon Y, together 1 upon 3 days. Now equations are ready and it will be easy for you. Let 1 upon X equals to A and 1 upon Y equals to B. So first equation will be 2A plus 5B equal to 1 upon 4. Digit keep it as it is. 3A plus 6B equal to 1 upon 3. Take 4 this side. 8A plus 20B equals to 1. And 3 3s are 9A, 6 3s are 18B equals to 1. Now multiply equation 1 by 8. Equation 1 by 9 here and 8 here, and equation 2 by 8. See, 9 8s are, 9 2s are, 9 1s are. Now 9 8s are, 18 8s are, 8 1s are. Change the sign. Cancel. 36B equal to 1. So B equal to 1 upon 36. Okay. Now place the value of B. 8A plus 20B equals to 1. So 8A plus 20B is what? 1 upon 36 equals to 1. 8A plus 21s are 20 upon 36 equals to 1. Cancellation is possible by 4. 4 5s are, 4 9s are. So 8A equals to 1 minus 5 upon 9. Take LCM. 9 1s are 9 minus 5, that is 4. 8 moves down. A equal to 4 upon 9 into 8. 4 2s are, that is 1 upon 9 2s are 18. But we have our supposition 1 upon X equals to A and 1 upon Y equals to B. So 1 upon X, A is what? 1 upon 18 and 1 upon Y. B is what? 1 upon 36. Reciprocal, X equals to 18 and Y equals to 36. So simply a woman can complete the work in 18 days and man can complete the work in 36 days. Is it okay? Now the last about Ruhi. Say it properly. Repeat this video. Now see, question number 3. Ruhi travels 300 km. Total she has to cover 300 km distance. Total distance 300 km. Okay? To reach her home. Now she travels to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours. if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining 240 by bus. So here we suppose speed of the train x kilometer per hour and speed of the bus y kilometer per hour. Okay, now Ruhi travels 60 kilometer by train. So to cover 60 kilometer by train, time taken by the Ruhi, time taken is what? 60 upon xr. You have learned that speed equals to what? Distance upon time. Therefore time equal to what? Distance upon speed. Distance 60 and speed x. So remaining total distance 300, remaining 240 kilometer if she travel by bus. Now time taken is what? 240 upon y hours, and total time to reach her home is 4 hours. So train and bus total time 60 upon x plus 240 upon y, that is equals to 4 hours. Okay, you can take common also. If you divide each term by 4, then you can have 15 upon x, 60 upon y equals to 1. Equation number 1. Now second possibility is what? If she travels 100 kilometer by train. So to cover 100 kilometer by train, time taken is equals to 100 upon x hours, remaining 200. To cover 200 kilometer by bus, time taken is 200 upon y hours. And now the question is what? To cover this 300 kilometer by this method, she takes 10 minutes more than the previous one. In previous case, she takes 4 hours. Now here 10 minutes more. So 100 upon x plus 200 upon y, that is equals to 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes means how many hours? That is equals to 4 hours plus 10 minutes means 10 upon 60 hours. 0 0 cancel. 6 LCM. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 hours. So 100 upon x plus 200 upon y equals to 25 upon 6. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Now suppose let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Place the value 15a plus 60b equals to 1. Number 3. And 100a plus 200b equals to 25 upon 6. Multiplied by 6, 600a plus 1200b equals to 25. You can divide it by 25 also, but if you don't want to divide, then keep this term as it is. Number 4. Now eliminate. To eliminate, suppose you want to make b same, then multiply the equation 3 by 20. 15 2s are 300a, 1200b, 21s are 20. Here 600a plus 1200b, that is equals to 25. Change the sign. 300 minus 600 minus 300a equal to minus 5. Minus minus plus, 300 moves down. So a equal to 5 upon 300. 5 ones are 60s are. So a equal to 1 upon 60. Okay. Now place the value of a in number 1. But 15a plus 60b equal to 1. 15, A means what? 1 upon 60 plus 60B equal to 1. 15 fours are. So 1 upon 4 plus 60B equal to 1. Okay. Take 1 upon 4 other side. 60B equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4. 4 LCM. 4 ones are 4 minus 1. 3. Therefore, B equal to what? 3 upon 4 into 60. 320s are. So B equal to 1 upon 80. Now, your answer is what? Our supposition. So I have to rub it. But we have 1 upon x equals to A and 1 upon y equals to B. Therefore, 1 upon x equals to A is what? 1 upon 60. And 1 upon y equals to B is what? 1 upon 80. Inverse it. X equals to 60 and y equals to 80. So answer is what? Speed of the train is 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of the bus I think express, speed of the bus is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is your exercise 3.6. As I told you before also that 3.7 is the optional exercise, and optional exercise are not in your course, already given in your textbook, not examination point of view, so don't bother about 3.7. This is your chapter number 3. Okay, do the board work. Whatever worksheet we upload, do this also. This is your homework. We also upload answer sheet. You have to check your answer with the answer sheet, and after that also if you feel some difficulty, then ask us in WhatsApp also, or otherwise we will solve it in our classroom. Okay, so that's it for the day. That's it for the lecture. Stay safe and enjoy.